Hi everyone, Jim from YoraHome. I have an announcement for you right now. We've got a quick product release video. People have been asking for a while for a new laser engraver, so we now have the Toocaa L2 laser engraver. This is a 40 by 40 engraver. You can see we've got a full enclosure with it. Everything is all ready to go. Nice, easy open door. Best part about this, minimal assembly. This entire frame comes pre-assembled. The only thing you have to assemble is the enclosure. All of it works with laser GRBL and Lightburn, just like all of our other machines. You get an exhaust fan in there. Comes with all the tools, all the instructions, even a piece of test material to get you started. This will be able to work with all accessories. There will be a honeycomb, there will be a smoke extraction unit, there will be a rotary that goes with this as well, available from Tooca. So check out the website. All the details will be there, and we look forward to seeing your orders very soon. Thanks.